This is just a really quick video clip to show you how to use Panopto to record your lectures when you're in a lecture theatre or a seminar room. Navigate to the module on the Blackboard side that you're teaching on. And from there, all you have to do is go to the Panopto tab on the right. Now, this should already be logged in. If not, you'll see a button to log you into Panopto. You should get the screen, and all you need to do is click Create. And then you can, there's a number of options. Just click Panopto for Mac, or if you're using a PC, for the PC. This will allow you to open Panopto in a separate, the Panopto app, as here, and all you need to do is click Create Recording, or actually it does it for you. And then you can personalize it. You could call this Lecture 5. You can select whether you want a PowerPoint or not. Sometimes there'll be two cameras, so you have technical resources. It'll allow you to turn it off if there's more than one camera. And then you just click Record. And if during your session you want to not record a section, click Pause. That will pause the recording. If you go down that route, it means you don't have to log back in and create a new recording for the second part. So again, we can resume it, continuous recording. Once you're done, click Stop. Again, it prompts you to give it a name, and you can then upload it. Once you've clicked Upload, it will take that recording, upload it to Panopto, and Panopto will upload it right into the folder for the Blackboard site you've accessed it through. Hope this is helpful.